I'm Forrest Whyte, and I am the head of Total Rewards and HR Technology at Automation Anywhere. And for us, that HR technology includes our own use of automation internally in HR and talent acquisition. In human resources, we're often one of the last teams to get headcount. And so every single person on our team is essential. And what we've been able to do with automation is create additional capacity without adding other resources. That's allowed us to effectively promote the people within our team to do higher value work. It's better for retention, better employee experience, and we really focused on the things that matter, which is putting the human back into human resources. Because of the time saved with automation, I'm able to get some time back in my personal life. And one of the things I love to do when I have time is play video games with my kids. This office is actually my game room as well. And so at the end of the day, I just turn my chair around and invite the kids in, and we have a good time.